Are you still using the Prousb software? Its problems have been bothering customers all along. Software expired, need new register code every day. Sometimes it can't issue cards or cards can open locks. Now innovating company developed new software to replace the Prousb software. It can be permanent use without worries of expiration or card issuing problems. Let's study about how to use QR Master software to replace Prousb software smoothly. First, open the QR Master website. Click Software, choose QR Master, download and install Windows, QR Master Web Network software and QR Master PC standalone software. Click Login and click Sign Up Now. Use hotel mobile phone or email to create QR Master account. Double-click QR Master web software. Log in QR Master account with the password. Click Cluster Management and then Add Cluster. Fill cluster information and then click OK. Click Authentication and then click Activate. Connect encoder with computer and put a Prousb issued MasterCard on encoder. Click Activate immediately. If prompted, activation information will take effect, then hotels don't need to reset lock. If prompted, please reauthorize, then hotel do need to reset lock. Click Apply for authentication, fill company information and click Submit. Download QR code and send it to lock vendor for authentication. Click Hardware Management and click Room. Click Data Migration, open Prousb software and click OK. Then room data is synchronized to QR Master system. Click Print and Issue, choose room number and click Issue Unlocked Card. Input guest name, set valid time and click OK to issue room card. Click Shortcut Card, click Admin Card and issue RF card. Input username, set valid time and opening period, and click OK. Then the MasterCard is issued successfully. Open QR Master PC software. Input password 1 and click Login. Click System Options, choose V9 lock type and click OK. Click Synchronize with UCL, input community ID number and QR Master password. Click Bind the community. Click Base Information and Room Information. Click Get Room Information. Input password again and click Get Room Information. Click Reception. Double-click room number, input guest name and set checkout time. Click Save and then RF card to issue room card. Click Checkout. Click Read Card to get the card room number. Click Erase Card and click OK, then check out room successfully. Right-click Room, can set room to be Clean Room. Read the card, it is blank card now. Click Fast Card, click MasterCard. Input staff name, set expire time and period time. Click Issue Card to make MasterCard successfully. Other functions are very simple, please refer to the user manual.